November 1.
Yata, I think ako.
So, pinalala-move ni Maya yung bag ni Mao. Tapos nakakatawa kasi lagi naming joke before, pag namatay siya, sabi ko, pwede bang i-ransack yung closet mo? Tapos sabi niya, mauuna daw si Maya. So sabi ko, dibs ako sa bag na to. Ito yung bag niya na Chanel na nakuha niya, I think 2014. Tapos, lagi, pag ginagamit niya, lagi ako nagko-comment. Tapos sabi ko, pag namatay ka, mau akin na yung bag na yan. As a joke. It was supposed to be a joke. Nakakainis. Parang I did not expect to be emotional. For a bag, kakagaling ko lang sa gym. Pag uwi ko, nandito na yung bag. Nakakainis. Future Tresha, pag pinanood mo tong vlog na to, I hope buhay pa yung mga kaibigan mo. Cause what the hell, ma? This bag, this pamana was supposed to be a joke. Bakit mo naman tinotoo, sis? Joto, para lang to sa recap ko ng buwan. Ano yung tono, be?
Wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa, boom, kara-karaka.
Okay, wait. Search mo sa'yo.
Bakit ano yung sa'yo? Ano yung tono mo?
Sinabi ko, wala nga ako sa tono, di ba? Oh shit, crack yung nadikit ko dito. Oh my god. Buti hindi pa siya super madikit. Ano, nalalaglag. I think baka not tayo. Yan tayo nalalaglag. Parang hindi nalalaglag.
Lagyan mo sa likod yung ano.
I think sakto lang yung nasa kotse. Ayaw sumama ni Tian. Sorry na lang. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
Ito na naman po siya. Ang sarap na naman ng tulog niya. Sleepy, sleepy boy. Sleepy, sleepy boy. Are you mommy sleepy boy? That's mommy sleepy boy. Bumangon lang ako saglit. Tapos may nakahiga na. Paano po tayo higa? Gia. You're so cute eh. Buti na lang cute ka. Get ready with me. I've been invited to be a speaker to do a talk about my personal journey building my brand. to be honest, hindi ito yung first time na ma-invite ako to do any kind of talks. Pero kasi before, yung mga nag-invite, parang tinatanong ko ano yung content. Kasi I don't really mind talking. I hate public speaking. But I don't mind talking about stuff that I know of. Pero ito hindi ko kasi alam, like usually business or very technical stuff. Eh, wala naman akong background for it and I don't feel like I'm the best person to talk about it. This one, tinanong nila ako if I want to share the journey in building my brand. And yeah, so I guess for me, okay lang yun kasi it's a personal experience kind of thing. So, I can yap about it. But yeah, but yung other stuff kasi parang I can't yap about business. Hindi naman ako bonggang entrepreneur. I can't yap about technical or chemical stuff. I have my certification, pero hindi pa rin ako yung expert. Like, I feel like there's so many other people in the industry who can talk about it better than I do. So, yeah. I normally do not style my hair kasi I have naturally wavy hair parang yung sister ko lang. But, pag maikli yung buhok ko, because my hair is super thick and heavy, pag mahaba yung buhok ko, hindi siya lumalabas, bumabagsak siya on its own. But when I cut my hair short like this, grabe yung pagka-wavy niya. So, I just need to run it with a straightener. And yeah. So I do this face mask before I put makeup on. Kapag I know I'm gonna need it to tapos na ako mag-talk. Ano na ako ngayon? Tindera na ako. Yan lang. Si Yuki. Ayoko na sa mainit.
Yuki, come here, come here. Ang dami nangyayari, Joy.
Oo nga eh.
Bye-bye, Yuki. Order ka natin. Corn siya. Akala niya may bread ka. Kasi wala kang pinapay. Sabi niya, dito na lang.
Yuk. Huy, Derpy. Magkita ka, Derpy. Derpy Marie. Ba't nakalabas yung dila mo, Derpy?
But I had a confusion last night because I bought a chair. It's a massive, like, weird sphere chair. Tapos, mali yung upo ko. Tapos, nalaglag na naman ako. And I bought this chair kasi nalaglag ako from my other chair dahil nasira siya. So, I bought a new chair. Tapos, nalaglag na naman ako. But this time around, it wasn't my elbow. It was my head that hit the shelf. So my brother kept coming back like every hour just to check na I was still waking up. I'm a legitimate business owner now. I can talk about running a business. Ang bilis ko sumagot ng answers and fairness to me. And I think that's just one of those job things, corporate trainings na marunong akong mag-isip ng sagot on the fly. And for someone that hates public speaking, I can't believe na I did that.
Ito ang ginawa namin today. By the way, this is my new chair na nalaglag na ako ulit. Hindi siya ganito nung magpo-photoshoot siya. Like, wala siyang expression, humiga lang siya. Like, pag nag-video ako, pang IG story ko to. Okay po. I got my nails done today. Kasi I'm flying out on... Shit, di ko maalala. But I'm flying out in a few days. So, inuna ko na to. Also, it's my mother's that anniversary. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Gio. Tawag sa kanya ay super bilugan. Look at... Ay, ang ganda ng nails ko, be. I'm trying to paint. Tapos meron nga dito sa chair ko. So, kailangan nakabuka ka ako. No? And I'm painting. I'm using yung mga tira-tira sa paint by numbers to paint this. Kurami. Kura. 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 Kaya naman yung sarili mo, no, Kurami. So fluffy. I'm going to the hospitals. It's, anong oras na ba? 11 p.m.
I think past 11:30 na. And I'm very awake kasi naghihintay ako ng tubig.
Fuck you, prime water.
Hindi, Dasmariñas Water District na.
Oo, pero sila kasi nagsimula eh. Anyway, I feel like this is gonna be minor lang. Ang hirap huminga ng nakamask ka. I had my brother dye my hair. So medyo nagmamadali ako. Kasi I still have work, but I also have to fly out. So, kailangan ko na maligo. After maligo, I'm heading to the airport. Kapag dalawa kayo. Waiting for recording. I think kasha naman.
This is the S Mall.
This is my room for the next week. Ayan. What's the view? Another building and a car park. And the sea, I guess. Maliwanag niya pa rin. Like, no joke. Maliwanag pa rin siya. So, and then, I have to do all that. Pero, I'm gonna eat first. Some tacos. Taco birria. Ay, quesadilla yata to. And then, I got this horchata. Buti na lang nagdala ko ng maraming travel adapter kasi kaiba yung saksakan nila. I think yung struggle ko is this is not a vacation, this is a work trip. I wanna try everything, I wanna walk around. Office gave me this Prezi card, it's like a credit card. I packed Jill and Sean's goodies. Actually, nagdala talaga ako just in case mi-meet ko sila. Hindi rin ako sure, nireject nila yung first visa application ko. So I had to apply another one. Technically naman, I'm not really here to work. Technically, it's not work. Kaya hindi rin siya work visa. And yung office yung nag-apply for me ng visitor's visa. May deployment kasi kami on Friday. So, I just checked in. Kung meron akong na-miss. Pero parang wala naman. Ang mahal na yung mga pagkain dito I bought this chicheria. And I bought water. And then I bought another water.
It's 7:30. It's 2:30 a.m. sa Manila. So, grabe, ang hirap bumangon.
Oh my gosh. I walked from the office back to the hotel. Ang dami kong dala. Oh my god. I wish I can show you how my day went because it's such an eventful day. Pero hindi naman ako vlogger. So my job isn't taking videos. And it's my corporate job. So, well, technically, it's not really work. Huwag niyo po akong hulihin immigration. Pero syempre, I still went it with my business casual. So, naka-rubber shoes ako. Parang super convenient. Feeling ko willing ako pumasok if I can walk from the office back to my place. I have my company laptop. Honestly, then my headphones. Meron akong separate headphones for the laptop. Then I have my wallet, my card holder. Then I have this. Actually, I have like extra ponytail. Kasi I don't like having my hair in front of my face. Tapos, I guess dahil nag-pandemic sana ako, I have my mouse. Then I have a power bank. Pero hindi ko naman kailangan yung power bank kasi I wasn't really on my phone. Dahil nga, I was at work and I have my passport. I really like where I'm working now. I think di ko kasi yan masasabi for my previous jobs. The last job na I can say na I really like where I was working at was my job from 2019 to 2020. That job. Tapos, I really like then yung, I think that was the last time. I don't even like the job na dinala ko sa Europe. It was a good formative experience, especially for a fresh grad. Pero looking back, it was so toxic. And then we got some company merch. Unboxing. I'm gonna guess this is a mug. Oh yeah, it's a mug. Lanyard. Oh, this is so cute. Tumblr. Sunburn alert sticker. I didn't know this existed. Oh, cool. Yung para magpalit-palit. Para pwede mong palit-palitan yung mga USB stuff mo. That's so cool. I like this goodie bag. Thank you to our company for bringing us to New Zealand. And then a notebook here. I'm surprised walang ballpen. I thought there'd be a pen kasi may notebook. And canvas bag. Ah, meron siyang padding yung ilalim ng canvas bag. Oh, this is so nice. I like canvas bags na may padding. Oh, para ano siya, mas solid siya. Like may padding siya sa ilalim. That's so nice. Thank you so much to my job. I really like this job. Huwag niyo po akong i-fire kasi I cry. So nice. I'm gonna use it now na. Super dami kong dala pabalik ng hotel. Okay. Let's open it. There's tape. Hirap naman ito buksan. I have to unbox it kasi I have to unbox everything and fit it in my luggage. Actually, sobrang luwag ng luggage ko. I'm gonna ask nga yung mga Pinoy ko na friends if they want me to bring home stuff for them. Kasi Christmas and if di sila uuwi, stuff for their families. Kasi I still have like half a luggage na I can ship naman. Oh, it's a lot of snacks. There is pretzel. There's, oh, this is so cute. It's like a Christmas tree na biscuit with chocolate. I would assume white chocolate. Butter shortbread. Popcorn. I might eat this na. So I'm a little hungry. I didn't get to eat breakfast kasi malilate na ako. Brownie bite. Ooh, it's a brownie. And more chocolates. I think puro chocolates. Madaming chocolates sa ilalim. And then, it's a luxury fruit cake. Iuwi ko to. Baka my brother will like it. Ooh. Like, more chocolates. More chocolates. Ang dami chocolate, actually. So, thank you so much. And tomorrow yung actual company end of year party. So, we're gonna do that. I feel like it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so happy to be here. Kahit na lagi kong sinasabi, I don't like long haul flights. And to be honest, nagdalawang isip ako if I wanted to come nung nag-invite sila. Kasi nga, I don't like long haul flights. That's the reason why I don't really go anywhere na outside 6 hour flight. But I guess, I'm here, so. That's yummy. Yun lang. So, my friend Mike and Nico are here. I'm gonna go out and walk around the harbor kasi paland pa lang si Mike from Wellington and si Nico naman, he lives 30 minutes away. Sabi ko maglalakad muna ako sa harbor kasi umaraw na. Kanina kasi umulan. And it's 6 p.m. Tapos ganyan siya kaliwanag. Ay, shocks, di pala siya kita. All the way there. Actually, dito yung office. Somewhere here. Where I work. Isipin mo yung punta ka sa island na bagyo.
Mild pa siya, di ba?
Oo.
Nag-warning pa nga sila, like yung dito yung
Emergency alert. Oh. Hindi lang super obvious na ang steep niya. Oo, meron. Video ko kayo, pero don't worry. Hindi ko naman to gagawa ng anything. I'm back from meeting my friends. Nag-dinner kami and dessert. And I had to go back, diba? To get a jacket. Kasi, oh my God, lumamig talaga siya. As in, ang ginaw. So, we had dinner. Had dinner with Nico and Mike. Tapos, nag-dessert, nakasalubong namin si Kate and her boyfriend. So, nag-dessert kami all together. Yan lang. I'm heading out to have breakfast in a cafe. 6 a.m.
Water bottles.
Bus right back.
Nakakatawa yung mga Pinoy nandito sa shade ng tanghaling tapat dun sa initan. Pero yung mga Pinoy uminom ng juice. Dito sa Ocean.
Now we are 100% ready to see how this goes.
You like the tree? Purple?
Yeah. What's up? I'm in my pajamas. Pero dito na ako sa hotel. Di na ako pumasok sa office. I'm just too tired to go to work. We went out last night. I don't think I have a video. Pero grabe, parang ang dami kong nainom. I was dead asleep. Ang dami ko pang... I brought a lot of Sad Girl scents. Thinking na I take photos for like content. Pero hindi ko na siya nagawa. So, I might do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so exhausted. Wala na parang yung boses ko, parang feeling ko, hindi naman siya yung level na nawalan ako ng boses before. But, and that's about it. I just need to finish some work. Have this one thing that I need to resolve, and then I think I can go out and then do stuff. I'm planning to go to the museum, and sobrang funny kasi last night we went to a bar, tapos dun sa bar na-cut off na sila ng alcohol. Sabi nila hindi daw sila mukhang lasing, pero girl, para sa akin, ako siguro hindi ko alam kung cultural lang, pero sa akin medyo lasing na yung dating nila. Lumipat sila sa bar, Tagalog na lang, baka mamaya mapadpad to sa mga ka-office mate ko. Pero lumipat kami sa bar sa baba, tapos yun, I made sure to take a bath, like take a complete bath. After, because my hair smelled like smoke and alcohol. I had like beer spilled on my arm. Made sure na my alarm was at 8:30 in the morning kasi I had to work at 9. Tapos pagkagising ko ng 8:30, I was messaging one of the girls who flew from Manila to Auckland, and then I was telling them, I'm not going to the office. I'm sorry. I'm just so tired. I'm exhausted. And so I'm still in my pajamas. Kanina, I just wore a jacket and pants, and I went out and had bread and coffee. I just had breakfast at the park, like a quick breakfast, just for some sun. And I really want to eat steak, so I found this place na nearby, like a 5-minute walk. I'm gonna go there later. Tapos, I'm gonna eat. Then I'm gonna go to the museum, then go to the park, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Yun lang. I'm so busy. I have red wine for lunch. I'm walking to Aesop. I'm so dizzy. What the hell? Sobrang steep niya. I really thought kung magpapatattoo ako, but wag na lang. Then I'm walking to Aesop. Grabe, parang hindi ako malas ng Asia. Kasi amoy Asia pa rin dito. As in, just Asian food. In the toilet. But can I just say something na I had to? I think having my Roxy tattoo on my arm has been the worst. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga bagay na parang nag-kick in yung training ko of never showing emotion while I'm working.
big bruise here. So, naka-sleeveless ako. So, kita siya. People would make a comment. Tapos, syempre, nandyan siya. Kasi it's super noticeable. Dito ako kinuhaan ng dugo when I was in the ER. Like, last weekend. Tapos, andito yung tattoo ni Roxy. Sabi, oh, that's your dog. Blah, blah, blah. How old is she? Ganyan. And every time. I have to talk about her. I try not to cry. Oh my god. Also, sakit ang tiyan ko. Nasa toilet. Tapos ako yung tattoo ko. And then, I just started crying. Kasi naisip ko na naman na parang we were talking, ako at yung manager ko. Tapos parang sabi niya na ako ganyan yung itsura ng aso ko before. Ganyan. Tapos parang, tapos basta nagkwento kami about our dogs. Tapos parang, oh my god. Alam mo ba kung gaano kasama? Kung gaano ako ka-traumatized from owning a dog. Hindi ko na naiisip na magkakadog ako ulit ever. Oh my god. Just stop crying.
Obvio, voy a namin ang siya. Es que subió TikTok y me comentaron unas cosas.
Was dachte ich auch, das ist jetzt wieder Heliflug, Film gemacht und das sieht gut aus. Ja, also
Okay, so I guess, pumunta ng Devonport ng sunset. Dapat yung sunset biyahe nyo is pauwi. Kasi, it's dead. I'm thinking if magbabus ako pabalik ng city, but yung bus kasi like 40 minutes. And 12 minutes lang yung, It's 9 p.m. Ganito pa rin kaliwanag. I'm heading out kasi 9 a.m. na ako nagising. I met a girl, yun yung organic encounter ko. Wait, that can be misconstrued. I'm unfortunately very straight. Pero may namita akong Pinay sa Devonport. Like, we had dinner. Actually, we just had KFC. Tapos, so naglakad-lakad lang kami. And wala na kasing bukas. So, yun, nag-picture kami, ganyan. I'm just gonna go to Mount Eden and then go back and pack my stuff. Kasi baka late kami matapos. And we're checking out tomorrow at 5 a.m. So, yeah. So, I really brought my shoehorn. Kasi it really has a difference. Like, putting on shoes has never been easier. I have my portable shoehorn. Nasa malit ako na siya. And baka mag-Uber na lang ako. Ayoko na mag-bus. Kasi ang hirap, di ko nakikita kung magkano yung charge nila dun sa tag. At nga daw, super alat tong chips na nakuha ko. selfie. It wasn't very kind how you pushed your brother off this. Right? And you didn't listen.
I'm staying near the tower. Ito kalayo na ako. Oh my God, pagod na ako. Ang init. Ang dala ko lang ay 2 cheese at isang bag ng nuts and chocolates. Kasi mag-picnic kami. Wow! Hi, Jill!
Hi!
Kaya mo ba Taylor Swift?
Oo. Kasi sabi ko, ay si Tisha, Taylor Swift ko. Baka ano yung dahilan?
Anong dahilan?
Too slow.
Oh my gosh!
Twice yun, Tish.
I can't believe
Twice yun.
ikaw yung too slow.
Dito sabi sa akin yung last time na nabagsak ko, sabi niya,
Ano ko to?
nag-fitness ka na. Hello. Ito na. Ito na po yung shade. Nalagyan namin ng shade yung tana. Isa.
Oo, yung hindi pa sanay.
Tapos meron may ozone layer na.
Wait, Jill, nasan tayo? Alam mo, may ganito tayong video. Pero hindi ko maalala.
We're still here.
We're still...
You kami. So, nasan na kami ngayon? Nakatuna Beach.
Oo. Medyo na kami. Nakalayo-layo.
Day 1, pero init ako. Sobrang init, guys.
Video na to.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Jill, where are we? We're still here. Again. Sa Katuna Beach. Medyo nag-branch out na kami from Asia, guys.
Ayan. So,
Medyo lumalayo-layo na.
nabore kami sa Paseo eh. Masyado maraming tao today doon. So,
Summer na. Hindi na yung taglamig.
Oo.
Ajuma!
Kaya ito naka-adjuma.
Ito medyo legit na yung ano mo, formahan mo.
Tapos may pan pa.
34 years old lang yan.
Uy, 33 na
33 pa lang siya.
34 ka na.
Magta-30.
Ay, wait, anong year ka, Sean?
Huwag na nating nakalimutan ko, hindi ko alam. Maraming birthday ko. 1991.
Ay, wait, so magka-same tayo. Alam mo, akala ko younger ka sa akin.
Hindi.
Si Tin ang pinaka...
Younger ako ng month.
Ay, kailan ka ba?
Ay, hindi. Mas matanda ako sa kanya.
ng...
Di ba parang, June ka ba? June? Tapos August ka din, di ba?
Nang walang kapalit. Kasi namatay si Roxy. Tapos parang feeling ko, ano pa yung point ng buhay? Is na siya. Alam mo si Kelly pag napipiko. Sige, Kelly, okay lang. Kasi kung gusto mong hatiin na, tutulungan kita. Sige, sige. So,
Pero weird kasi nagpupunta naman kami dito dati.
Nang kayong dalawa?
Titiwala na lang ako sa driving skills ko, Jill.
Kapag nasa gantong mga country ako, nare-realize ko bakit yung mga tao, parang hindi sila pupunta sa airport ng maaga, tapos parang nagre-reklamo sila. Kasi parang 5 minutes, immigration and security. Sydney Airport. Lang ako bumili ng Timbits. Jollibee, hello! Ito ang sign na umuwi na talaga ako ng Pilipinas. Akala mo ang tagal ko. Kuro, sit. Good boy. Kuro, come back. You want chicken? You want chicken? Sit. Sit. Good boy. No, sit. Sit. To. Anong ginagawa nilang dalawa? Gio. Kuro. Kuro? Yung Kuro, gusto naman niya ng affection. Mamaya kakagatin na ni Gio yan. Boogs. Boogs. Oogs. Boogs. Wait, may meeting ako. Finding out na pwede mong ipag-grab food ang malatang. Hi, Aren.
Parang magiging photo bomber.
Oo.
Mamaya.
Asan yung painting skills? Be, mali yung inaano mo. Mali yung kiniklaim mo. Oo, transfer. Yuta!
Merry Christmas.
Ay, nandito kami sa Rizal Park. Hello. I'm sponsoring 5 kids and 5 families. So, 5 family Noche Buenas, tsaka 5 kids na may wishlist. So, parang angel tree siya. No, guy, I'm telling you, nagulat ako sa Christmas gift ni Gian. Kasi, she got me Polly Pocket Gachapon from Japan. Oh my God, kasi I was talking about it. Tapos parang ako, oh my God, I'm so sad. Wala ako sa Japan for the Polly Pocket Gachapon. Tapos I heard sold out na siya. No man has ever been this. I am telling you. I've never had a boyfriend. I've never dated anyone who can give me good gifts. Lahat ng memorable gifts ko are all from friends. Polly Pocket Gachapon, she got it for me. Ang bata ko, I had maybe 2 Polly Pockets. Tapos ang dami kong dream Polly Pocket.
Tapos, like ko talagang sinasabi na, I'm sad kasi malaki na yung mga Polly Pocket ngayon. Before, maliit siya. Oh my God! Oh my God, gumagalaw yung door. Wait. La 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 la. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Ano to? May kabayo siya. Ah, isa siyang vet. It's a vet. It's a vet clinic. I think. Or bahay niya. Meron lang siya talagang stable. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God. That's one she got me for. Ay, wow. It's like a cafe. Cafe. Oh my gosh, ang cute. So, meron siyang cafe. Bumubukasin yung door. Oh my God. This is so cute. Feeling ko may something sa inner child kong nahi-heal with my Polly Pocket keychains. And what's funny, wait lang, after nitong unboxing na to, I think bahay din. Bahay din siya. May dalawa siyang door though. Ano yung isa? Parang locker area. Is it a spa? Parang, it's giving spa. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check. Oh my gosh, I feel like yung purple yung maging favorite ko. Oh my gosh, the best. I'm so happy. Oh, what's this? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Parang loft. Parang loft type na bahay. Ay, hindi pala kita. Oh my God, it's so cute. Tapos, what's funny, binigyan ako ni Aren ng, it's like a display case for your gachapon.
Gusto ko sana ng organic encounter na. Ay, Alex.
Bakit ganito yung package?
Baliw. Tutulog yung kuya ni Cora. Tapos ginawa niyang unan. Ito tuloy itong Gio. Look at this face. Henry, ang isang face. La 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 la. Unan na kita. Relax. Tapos, ang sama na tingin niya sa akin dahil nandito ko sa chair. Kanina nagmamiyaw pa siya. Mommy's emotional support boy. Gio, mommy's been so stressed the whole week. You're gonna support me emotionally? Yes. Yes. Pinapunta mo ako dito. Tapos ang pinipet ko na siya. Kunwari, nag-purr pa siya. Tapos bigla siyang tumakbo, tumalon. My God, the betrayal. Gia. Gia May. You betrayed me. I don't think you'll ever be so... Gia. Ignore na ako bigla. Maraming nangyari sa akin today. At yung emotional support cats ko, naka-aircon, nakahiga sa kama ko. Love it for me. And for you, and for my boys. Ikaw. I have to submit my visa. Grabe. Officially, nag-crossover na ako to Tita territory. Thank you, Tian. Wow, Christmas. Merry Christmas, Ate Hazel.
Ligpit lahat.
Magsa-shot na siya.
Day 1. Parang sa mga
Ng lunch.
Pack up lahat.
Hindi mo matapos paglaban?
Hindi, kasi i-rearrange nila. Tapos mag- 1, 2, 3, go! puta sa ilong ah. Nakakapangit ba?
Huwag ka pa. Huwag natin. Mamaya with feelings na yung kwento nito. Umiyak na siguro.
The eco-conscious.
Because we didn't want to wait 20 minutes.
For a grab. So, mag-MRT kami. So, December 26, nabook ko na lahat ng mga gagawin namin activity for Saturday since next year. Just Feb for Valentine's and the anniversary one. Nabook ko na rin yung venue for my birthday party. Pera na lang. Oh my god. She was bored 3 days into my work break. Ang dami kong nagawa. Now it's December 26. So, I went to Pilates. Grabe, parang gusto ko magpaano, fillers. Kasi, ito sa eyebags.
Tapos
Wait lang.
tumawag kami para mag-submit.
Bakit tayo nandito sa Malate?
Kasi Rosa.
Nag-crave po sila. O, Tin, eto na.
Dalawa yung bottle doon.
Nagpapaka-healthy na siya. Healthy mind, healthy body. Yan ang team ng 2026 niya. Yung journal niya. You know what it is, Prime water. At that's what it is, what it is.
Nandun lahat ng mga, oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired and angry.
Yeah. Okay, kumain ka na. Just wearing a cap. I'm really not a baseball cap kind of girl. But I'm also wearing my sad girl shirt. This is a new merch. Parang taba ng arms ko. Pero maganda yung fit niya in real life. Pero parang ang pangit ang fit niya from this. So, yeah. This is our new merch. Tapos, I'm going to go pick up my passport. Hopefully, my visa application was not denied. But if it was denied, then it's just not meant to be. So, yay, I'm gonna save gastos because I don't have to go to my trip. But let's see. Are we gonna wait until New Year? Pwede naman siya i-ref. I think kaya nila plastic. Do we want to wait?
Pwede naman dagdagan natin ng other stuff.
We can. Ang hobby ni Cara.
Ano po name niya? Si Milky.
Milky!